Welcome to Art of Forex channel. In this channel we will talk about Forex trading. Please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Right here we have a large supply zone with a large drop down on 1 hour chart. However, if we switch to lower time frame, we will see there is a fake out. We have a support right here, and another support, and resistant, and there is another support right here. We can change to lower time frame to make our stop loss smaller. To find our entry point, there is a base drop right here. And there is two resistant. One support. Another support which make this area is significant support and resistant. So we can make this as our entry point. The retail traders will sell here. And when the price came back second time, it broke through the resistant. Rally up taking out all the retail trader stop loss. And there is another support right here. Retail traders will try to sell right here, because support has become resistant. And the price rally up to our entry point and back down. And then here we have a head and shoulder setup. Over. And under. And a diamond setup. Over and under. The retail traders will try to sell here, because there is a head and shoulders pattern. Retail traders will sell at right shoulder, but the price shoot up to the real head and shoulders and goes down taking out retail traders stop loss again. Our entry point will be right here. And we will float around 5 pips. The reward will be 79 pips. And there is another setup right here. Under. Over. And we have a fake out right here. R1. R2. Retail traders will sell right here. R3, and their stop loss is above the resistant. And the price shoot up to our entry point and goes back down taking out all the retail traders stop loss.